Hi, I want to show you how to change charge limit on iPhone. For that, go ahead and open Settings, and now find Battery in the list. Then I want you to select Charging section, and you will see option for charge limit. Here you can pick between 80 and 100%. For the best battery protection and to prolong battery life, it is recommended to set it to 80% or 85%. And for that, you just need to drag the dot to the left side or to the right side, depending on what percentage you selected. But if you decide to choose 100%, then tap Set Limit to 100, and this option for optimized battery charging will be available now. So with this feature, you can allow iPhone to wait to finish charging past 80% until the time you need to use it. So you can enable it by toggle on the switch and additionally enable clean energy charging. So yeah, that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.